Here's how to add a text watermark to any video using the CapCut editing app. Adding a watermark to your videos can serve multiple purposes, such as branding, promotion, and copyright protection. When you add a watermark, viewers can easily see that you are the original creator of the content, which can help prevent unauthorized reposting. To start, open CapCut and create a new project by importing the video you want to add a watermark to. This could be a widescreen video, or it could be content intended for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. It works for all formats. Next, select the text tool located at the bottom of the screen and add your desired text. This could be your username, brand name, or any other identifier you want as your watermark. For example, I'll type app.tut as my watermark. Once you've added your text, you can pinch to zoom to resize it and position it wherever you like. You might want to place it in a corner or across the center of the video, depending on how prominent you want the watermark to be. After positioning the text, tap on the Style section to customize the look of your watermark. You can adjust the size, and since watermarks are typically semi-transparent, it's a good idea to lower the opacity to around 50 to 70%. This will make the watermark slightly transparent so that it doesn't distract too much from the video content, while still being visible. Finally, make sure to extend the text layer across the entire duration of the video if you want the watermark to appear from start to finish. Once you've done this, you can play the video to see how it looks with the watermark in place. If you have your own logo, you also can add to the video. Here I have my logo on PNG format with transparent background. To add your logo, tap Overlay button, then Add Overlay. Once the logo added, you can change the size and location of the logo to your desired position. Don't forget to extend the logo layer across the entire duration of your video. If you're satisfied with the results, tap on the arrow icon at the top right to save your video. And that's how you can easily add a watermark to any video in CapCut on your iPhone or Android device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.